one special type of construction of angle I am taking. It is using a protractor. Draw an angle of measure 128 degree. First of all, with the help of protractor, it is so easy and convenient to draw any angle. With the help of the scale and pencil, draw ray OX. Put your protractor as usual, as you know in which way you want to put, and draw an angle of 128 degree like this. So using a protractor, draw an angle of measure 128 degree with the help of this angle. Using ruler and compass, draw an angle of 96 degree. Generally, we always draw the multiples of 15 for compass and ruler. But here they are asking to construct an angle of 96 degree, which is not a direct multiple of 15 degree. But here one help is provided, that is angle of 128 degree we are free to draw with the help of protractor. We know that the half of 128, as we can draw the bisector of angle. We know how to draw the bisector of any angle. So half of this angle is 2 6 ja 2 4 ja 64 degree. If I ask you to draw again half of 64, we can say the result is 32 degree. If 64 degree is added in 32 degree, it gives us 96 degree. So these calculations are giving us some help. So what is the process to be followed for getting an angle of 96 degree when it is given that we are free to use the protractor for drawing an angle of 128 degree. This angle is drawn 128 degree, O, that is XOY. Now as I have done here two bisectors. So first bisector, very conveniently you know because it is explained in many examples how to draw the bisector. Take O as center, mark any arc of your convenient radius. Suppose this point is P, this is Q. Now with the help of the compass, taking P and Q as centers, taking the radius or length of arc more than the half of PQ, we can draw two arcs and we will get the bisector. Suppose this is Z. So you can say angle here XOY. What is angle XOY? Angle XOY is 128 degree. This is given. As I have drawn the bisector, so what you can say? Angle XOZ. Angle XOZ 64 degree. If I take this point as R, you can see angle ZOY. Angle ZOY is also 64 degree. As angle ZOY is how much? 64 degree, because this is 64, this is 64, this is the bisector. If I draw the bisector of angle ZOY by taking Q and R as centers, we will draw the bisector. So I can say if this point is suppose K, angle KOY. Angle KOY is equals to how much? Half of 64, 32 degree. And angle KOZ, angle KOZ is also 32 degree. So what you can conclude? This is 64 degree, this is 32 degree, this is 32. So base angle XOK, we can say angle XOK is the sum of 64 and 32. 64 plus 32 is how much? is 96 degree. So we have drawn bisector two times, one for angle XOY, another for angle ZOY, and logically it is absolutely true that 64 plus 32 is giving us 96 degree.